Hey there, vintage decor enthusiasts. Are you ready to transform your bedroom into a cozy haven filled with nostalgia and charm? Well, you're in the right place. But before we explore these timeless ideas, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you stepped into a room that transported you back in time, filled with rustic treasures and vintage wonders? If you're anything like me, those moments are truly magical. Welcome to our channel where we bring your decor dreams to life. Today, we're diving into the world of vintage rustic bedroom decor ideas, not just through some random bedroom decor ideas, but on a quest to create a vintage rustic sanctuary filled with stories and history. Every piece of decor we'll explore has a story to tell, and I'm here to guide you through it all. So get ready to be inspired because these ideas are unlike any you've seen before. Don't forget to show some love. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting decor ideas. Let's create beautiful spaces together.